There's a dog in the window when I get home from work. He belongs to my neighbor who I think may be a jerk, but I don't really know since we haven't met one time. They're always out the door when the jello mold is prime. But that dog is cute, we get along just fine. If only dog napping wasn't much of a crime. I pry the door open while my neighbor works those times. No one has to know, just me and the K9. We go for walkies and we would have a ball until we found a ball, then we'd have 2 balls in the dog park. Cause now we're now allowed. The world is our treat, let us both go to town. We could get ice cream, 1 for me and 2 for you, and I would get you back before your owner knew. It'll be a little secret between you and I. Give me 1 buck for yes, and we'll be doing fine. But I snap back to the front of my door, and a window to a dog I'd give the world for. All I wanna do is pet my neighbor's dog. He's a good dog, why won't you let me pet the dog? Just scratch behind his ear and pet his little paws. Why won't you let me pet that dog? And all I wanna do is be my neighbor's friend, but he don't speak, don't care, won't even make pretend. I don't know what's all in the complex, but can I pet your dog? I swear it's all I ask. I know it's odd to be so obsessed, but if you saw this dog, you too would say yes. Say it, pet me, pet me, pet me. Do everyone he's ever known. Give them anything you want, give them money, crazy phone. He's stuck at home, and you're stuck here too. The wall is too thick to build an escape through, but you hear him whining, the neighbor's gonna do everything we can. We're on the move. Play the Thin Lizzy, a jailbreaking soon. We're busting, bugging out, we're taking to the brand new frontiers as we steer away in my car. Windows down on all sides, ride on shooting star. Take 'em on a hike to a place with waterfalls. Give us likes on Instagram, make the web go all. But the real treasure is all the precious time. Make a memory between the dog and I. But I'm sorted from my days, readjust my view, and turn the volume up as I brush my swimming cue. Hey, all I wanna do is pet my neighbor's dog. He's a good dog, why won't you let me pet that dog? Scratch behind his ears and pet his little paws. Why won't you let me pet that dog? And all I wanna do is be my neighbor's friend, but he don't speak, don't care, won't even pretend. I don't know what's all in the complex, but can I pet your dog? I'm up to the task. Hey! On the door, gonna smile and say, hey, I'm your neighbor, I'm sorry we've never met, but your dog is so cute, can I just have a pet? I should have done it sooner with my neighborly pride. Charisma check fails, any positive vibe, but never mind, it's time to make amends. I wanna meet you and your furry friend. I knock once, there's no answer at the door. Knock twice before, repeat the beat 4-4. Sound of the vacuum loud, louder than the void. The door opens up, a cleaning crew annoyed. I took too long, the time became a blur. I never will I have the chance to feel that fluffy fur. But someone new is carrying boxes up the stairs, and at the end of the leash, what do we have here? All I'm going to do is pet my neighbor's dog. She's a good dog, I'm busy petting this dog. Scratchy behind ears, petty little paws. I'm having fun petting this dog. And all I want to do is be my neighbor's friend. And she seems kind, is kind, worked out in the end. I know 2 souls in the complex, and one is a dog that I'm giving pets. Hey, all I want to do is pet my neighbor's dog. He's a good dog, why won't you let me pet that dog? Scratch behind his ears and pet his little paws. Why won't you let me pet that dog? And all I want to do is be my neighbor's friend, but he don't speak, don't care, won't even make pretend. I don't know what's all in the complex, but can I pet your dog? I'm up to the task. This is a cautionary tale about petting dogs. I don't know, if your neighbor has a dog and you want to pet it, just ask. Don't be creepy about it. Dogs are good. You're good, I'm sure. Pet a dog. Why is it when I start recording, that's the hardest part? Once I get past the first stanza, I'm okay. This is the one, this is the take, we're going. Here we go. I'm changing my name to lo-fi hip-hop through lack of study too, and hope people will listen and will know what to do. When I get on the mic, man, the room it only moves when the hot dog's on the counter, burner smoke begins to bloom. And that's my current scene, is laying flat on the floor, let's face it. I'm a paradise, ignoramus, 40K, batting unit blazing. Point, management nil, will is raining, gun in basement. Live total filled with booze and a Russian advertisement. I don't let it get me down, those are times to reminisce. I know a place where emotions will begin their resonance. A magic land of glory, smelling a Mustang grandeur. I hit the road and slam the gas, hold my wallet endures. As the youth walk the door on the other side of town. Gotta have rights, look for a third, 1/4 down. Gonna catch a chase your dreams. It's time to max out cards. Sweeping down the aisle, catching sights with your eyes. I hope that you will find a cheap and wonderful surprise at the youth bookstore. I'm at the youth bookstore. I'm at the youth bookstore. I'm at the used bookstore. A veritable fort, a corner second in wonderment, full of books and film, discarded and adornment. Programming book multiple versions obsolete. Self-help books so pristine, it's religious and elite. Comics galore, manga love from Audi 5. Countless volume 8 of Video Girl Eye. Dodging for otaku, speaking fan service inside. Asking my opinion on Sword Art Online. The whack isekai, up the stairs, music time. In the very scratch, heavy metal by the dime. Finding black and thrash from Snow Becky Stan. Only in this land, this fantastic magic land of the youth bookstore on the other side of town. Got a half price book for a third one quarter down. Gonna catch a read, take that knowledge for a ride. And if you can't afford it, there's a free bid right outside of the youth bookstore where the parking's ample large. It's time to chase your dreams, it's time to max our cards. Whipping down the aisles, catching sight with your eyes. I hope that you will find a cheap and wonderful surprise at the youth bookstore. I'm at the youth bookstore. I'm at the youth bookstore. I'm at the youth bookstore. Large print fantasy, Elric anthology, rare first printing, autograph is still smudging. Thought once lost to the throes of time. Power in my hand is mine. Oh, it's $9.99. Never mind, put it back on the shelf. I'll buy it some other time. When I get store credit, I know where I'll spend it. Store credit. Because I can't really spend it anywhere else, you see. That's how they get that free inventory. And if you don't like it, they can pass it on to you. And if you don't like it, they can pass it on through to you and you and you until the rightful heir comes. Automatic doors pave the way. Welcome to the youth bookstore on the other side of town. Got a half price book for a third one quarter down. Gonna catch a read, take that knowledge for a ride. And if you can't afford it, there's a free bin right outside of the youth bookstore where the parking's ample large. It's time to chase your dreams, it's time to max our cards. Whipping down the aisles, catching sights with your eyes. I hope that you will find a cheap and wonderful surprise at the youth bookstore. At the youth bookstore. I'm at the youth bookstore. I'm at the youth bookstore. And also, go to your local library sometime. It's just free there. There's good books there too. There's good books everywhere. Just read. Bird sings, now the one my favorite things. Fighting up the urge, back to dream, sleeping through the morning. Little thoughts keep on tweeting, chiming with the flock. No need to rush, man, I got the day off. And it hits me, I'm free to do anything. No chains holding, got myself a P-wing. I could work on songs, get those lyrics to a T. But that's a lot of effort, get back to the sleeping. Hours later in the dawn of the PM, no worries found, get some lunch from the far end. Take my time driving, no reason to speed away. Heroes come and go, but they're open all day. Just like me, flipping pages of this book, looking for the chill, no thrills allowed in my nook. No drama happening, I'm making it my way. Let's just ride along, this world is mine today. Just another day, it's just another casual day. There's no need to be afraid of another casual day. Feeling a little guilty for not doing a thing of any import. Despite my time working, I start to load my email, letting it inside my brain. But common sense is coming back, TKO my insane. I see the games, wanna take in a deep dive. Let's go and make my mark in Street Fighter 5. 6 frames later, I'm back to playing Overwatch. Simba's microwaving, saving teams by the poor comp. Phone chimes, my friends are in the square. They're at the place with root beer on tap, so well prepared. Get my improv on, watching Einstein simplify, queuing overlapping, the reading every other line. And afterwards my thoughts are dancing a jig, knocking at me, tomorrow back to the brig. Worry washes over me, but still I go on grinning. Let's remember this feeling is only just beginning. Hey,
just another day, it's just another casual day. There's no need to be afraid of another casual day.